Sir, beg no vessel. Wetin the small boy do wey dey punish am is wetin be your offense? I beg no vex.
Ah, bros. If I tell you what this boy do me, today,
Wetin dey do?
bros, you go tell me my killer.
No. No matter what, wetin the boy do? Move no.
Bros, if I tell you what this boy do,
Tell us now, more we will know. He thief something, he spoil something, whether we fit pay for am. Just tell us, wetin he do?
just they go.
Abeg, tell us.
Abeg, we dey beg you.
If I tell you what this boy do me, oh,
Just kukuma tell us so that make the boy go stand up, abeg.
this boy today for this Buhari regime, now I lost my 10 naira.
You case? Now because of 10 naira make it all punish this boy, yes. It's not a person picking because of 10 naira. Bros, you know well.
Stand up, Jerry.